credit, see, you gotta know how to maneuver. If you want to keep your rats in your pocket, you can use credit for your leverage. You can get a house, right? Let's say you want $1 million house. You can pay $5,000 a month, or you can spend $1 million at one time. Then let's say you only worth $2 million. You gonna spend half your money. You gonna spend a whole $1 million on a house when you could keep that in your pocket and only pay $5,000 a month. So you can have your $1 million sitting right, rats or the bank. It don't matter, whatever you want to put it in. So you can have that $1 million sitting, then the $1 million you was gonna cash out for the house. You could be paying $5,000 a month, and you still got 900 and some change to play with and make other shit happen with it while you paying $5,000 a month. That's why credit is important. Credit, matter of fact, right now during this pandemic, if you was broke and you had good credit, you can get you some money. You can get you some big money if you was fucked up during this pandemic and you had some credit. That's why I say young niggas need to start at 17 building your credit up. That way, by the time you 21, you can start your business and get ahead. You can get ahead of the game. Like, most niggas who got down turn 21 be broke as fuck. Let's just keep it 1,000. We know it's Instagram. We know niggas got to put on. But most people who 21 is broke as fuck. If you 20, 18, 19, 20, 21, you're broke as fuck. You just got out of high school. You ain't got no job, or you got a bullshit job. You're broke as fuck. Everybody's not an Instagram entertainer, ain't a YouTube star. Most niggas is broke. Unemployed how IG is, but most niggas is broke, bro. Like, we gotta stop. We have to stop. So if you was broke, your credit can goddamn get you some money. Like, you can get 250 racks off your credit and start you a business. You know what I'm saying? And then if your business don't work out, you know how that shit go. Now, this was about 4 years ago. I probably only had about 4 or 5 years ago. I probably only had about $750,000 just to keep it all the way 1,000. I had about $750,000. I was trying to get a house that was $4,000 a month, but I was willing to pay about $4,000-5,000 a month when I had $750,000, because you know it was a steady $750,000. And one like I did, it was always at $750. No matter what I spent, it stayed around $750 or around $700. But I kept getting denied for getting cribs. Like, them white folks would look at me, see my ID, and deny me. And then they'll look at my credit, because my credit was fucked up around there, and they'll deny a nigga, you feel me? But the one spot I got, I ended up having to pay $10,000 a month, and I had to pay 6 months up front rent. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like paying 6 months up front on my rent. How fast can you boost your score based on... See, it ain't about a quick thing. If you really want to win with this shit, like the way I'm talking about, see, most niggas just bust their shit out, get a little quick racks, some petty ass shit like that. You know what I'm saying? If you really want to win with this shit, it's a patience game. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit a real patience game. Because your shit got to look good. It's got to be 2 years on that motherfucker. So when somebody manually review that motherfucker, I say this for the... That's why I get this game to the young folk, because if your shit already fucked up and you just trying to get some quick money, you really just fucking it up. You get what I'm saying? You really just trying to do it real quick, get something tomorrow. That's why I say if you 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, you got blank a little or no credit. Start doing this shit. Start doing what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Cause other than that, you gonna get petty money. You know what I'm saying? This shit a patience game. Like, you really trying to get rich and stay rich. You ain't trying to just get no petty 10, 15 racks and that's it. You know what I'm saying? A 401k, nigga, that shit was gone. When the stock market crashed, nigga, the 401ks is gone. Why is you not responsible enough to save your own money? If you're not responsible enough to save your own money, you don't need no money. If you need a nigga to save your money for you, you don't need no money. That's all that's saying. You need somebody else to do something for you, because they could just take your money.